If you want to fix this problem on your Brave browser on your mobile, just follow me in this video till the end step by step. So let's start, guys. First, you don't need to open your Brave. You have to go directly to your settings of your device, then open it. So then you will find list of options. You will just click on apps. Right here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only for Brave. Where is Brave here? And then you have to scroll down until your phone storage. So on storage, click on clear cache and go back. Click on force stop, click OK, then go to battery, allow it on optimized mode. Then you have to go to this option right here, permission, and you have to give permission to this, and then go to your Play Store, check that your Brave browser is updated on the last version, then restart your phone. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.